Today I'm at 394 Via Cresta here in Newberry Park. I'm going to showcase a beautiful single family house with nice swimming pool, beautiful backyard. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house which is almost 3,100 square feet. The lot size is huge, 9,150 square feet, almost 9,200 square feet. Let's go. There are 2 hidden features in this house I'm going to showcase and tell you about as we get inside. Let's go. Okay, as we enter the house, we have 1 bedroom and a full bath on your left. This is great if you have parents at your house, or it's still convenient to have 1 bedroom downstairs where your living area is, along with your kitchen. And this has got a reach-through closet. And then as we go here, and then we have a full bath. This particular bathroom can be used as a powder room. It has a shower and a tub, and then we have a coat closet on your right. Okay, so now from here, we will enter our dining and a formal living area. Living is on your left, has got high ceiling, a nice chandelier up there. And then on your right, we have your formal dining. An amazing part is that on the other side of the dining, you can see we have a nice space. You can use that as a buffet table if you have got a lot of friends and family here, or you have to serve your dinners and lunches here. And then from here, we will enter our family room. So on your left, you have a family room. And from here, you'll get your breakfast nook and your kitchen. Nicely designed kitchen, it has got everything you need. It has a microwave, 1 stove and 2 ovens, a dishwasher and a trash compactor, a nice size island. And then this from here, it actually leads to your formal dining. So well-designed house. From your kitchen area, you can enter your dining area. And then from here, it leads to your garage. And let me show you the garage. Okay. It's a 3-car garage, so you have 2-car garage on this side, and then there's a separate one on the other side. Great. So from here, we will actually go to the backyard. Let's go back in the kitchen, and then from here, we'll go to the backyard. So you have a saltwater pool. All your equipment is hidden actually on the other side of the wall. Right there, so you have everything hidden right there. All your equipment is there. It's a nice size pool. You have a lot of space around, and then we also have a barbecue area on the other side. Let's go inside. Okay, from here we'll go to the second level. Please come. You have your office area here. So if you have work from home, this is ample space for your office stuff here. You can make your office here. And from here we'll go. So your master bedroom is on your left, and the other 2 bedrooms are on this side. So bedroom number 2 is right here. This also has a reach-through closet. All the rooms are high ceiling throughout, and they also have a nice size windows. And this is a reach-through closet right here. And then from here, we'll go to bedroom number 3. This also has got a reach-through closet, big size. You can put a king-size bed here, and have got windows throughout. So both the walls have windows, so very nicely lit room. And then from here, we have our bathrooms and our laundry. And look at this. This laundry has got a lot of closet space. So your washer dryer hookups are here. And then from here we have your bathroom number 2. It has a full bath with sink, with a spa, and also with a shower. Okay, from here we are entering the master bedroom area. This is your linen closet, so it has got a lot of space for that. And then from here we are entering our master bedroom. Nice size. Again, we have high ceiling throughout and got nice windows, big size windows. And from here you have your pool view. Okay, so now we are entering our master bathroom. A lot of space. You have got 2 sinks, a vanity for your makeup, your shower, and your spa right here. And your commode on your right, and now we have your walk-in closet, a good size walk-in closet already done, so you don't have to put any organizers and stuff here. All right. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you would like to buy this property, invest in this property, or if you are interested in selling a house in this neighborhood, let us know. Would love to work with you. We specialize in relocation here in Southern California. Me and Surbi, we've been in business for almost 20 years now and would love to answer any questions. Please drop in a comment if you have any questions about this. Thank you.